Hello everybody, today I'm going to demonstrate how to do a back stitch, which has been executed quite nicely here. It's obviously most suitable for outlining, so I'm going to follow this line here. So you bring your needle up from the back along your line, and then, as the name suggests, back, insert it at the end of your last stitch. This gives you a lovely unbroken line with no gaps between the stitches. Try and make sure that your stitches are of a uniform length, very simple. But this is quite a useful stitch for combining with others. And just show you over here what I've done. So you can then, on your line of stitching, take a contrasting coloured thread. Use a blunt needle, otherwise you might split the thread you've already stitched. And you can just gently thread this through the stitches that you've already made, quite simply, for more interest. And over here, something slightly different. I've used this as a foundation for a decorative herringbone stitch. So really easy, but you can have a bit of fun with it. There we are.